underestimate this truck.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video today. We got something definitely different planned now. He decides to come up and take his truck, and he thought he could make it. I didn't get it on film, but we're gonna get him pulled off here. We got the old white Chevy here. We're gonna pull him off the stump or jump, I mean.
We're gonna send it again.
Yeah, we're gonna get this on film this time. He's gonna hit a little harder. So, all right.
No four-wheel driving this thing.
Nah.
That's why it didn't come off by itself.
But he claims this truck is the best truck on the road right now.
See, look, mud to bumper. That's my putty for the bumper.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna film him getting off here. Hope your truck can hold. It might rip in half with that truck.
I'll drive this thing half a truck anywhere.
Yeah.
This thing be half a truck's more than that truck.
Yeah, it's been a good one, I gotta say that. All right, we're gonna get him pulled off here.
Alrighty guys, here it is again. We're going to try to get on video for you. See how far it can go.
I done told you one thing, don't underestimate this truck. It's my shotgun in my truck.
The dog's scared to death.
I think we're gonna send her again.
You gonna hit it again?
I think so.
Yeah, let's see it. This is take two.
My God, I done told you.
You gotta flex it now. Bumper got him on that one.
Get back over it. For the week. Aerodynamics, see how you get them?
How?
Put your finger through right there. See? You just peel all that out. Put your finger through. Door hinges. Dodges are notorious for back door hinges. See, I told you. See, watch. Don't shut. You gotta give it a little.
Right.
Now she gets shut. See, let me just show you something else here. Door handle about to fall off. Hood probably won't even open up. Ah, yeah. This right here.
Yeah.
Got the Cummins 2.4 in it. See, hood lights ain't even on here. So I can tell it. Look at it. Best thing about this truck is them hood hinges. The hood stays up by itself.
This is a custom and fabricated motor, or?
Yeah. You gotta carry your brake fluid around with you.
Okay.
Brake lines leak. And this motor's so bad, it ain't got an oil cap on it. See? Just take it right off. We can walk around the rest of
What
it.
about your, what you got here?
Battery terminals?
No, you're missing a cap right here, is it?
Oh, that's just more airflow to the radiator to
Oh.
push that coolant through as hard as I run this thing. So you got this one, that's all you need. This is my halfway good fender, but aerodynamics more right there.
Yeah. Well, what size tires you got on here?
38 and a half.
Mud train?
Them's for when I get a flat tire on the road. I just slap them babies on, this thing go.
Huh. I haven't got a lot of miles left on them.
Yeah. My radials right there, my drag tires.
What's the tow rope? What's the deal with that?
Well, you'll see later on in this video, or earlier on in this video, we got hung up right there. Old Chevy had to pull me out.
Do you keep that right there just in case you got to pull people out
You
and
never
stuff?
know when I'm just going 50 miles an hour down the road and just see a muffle I like to hit.
Yeah. Oh.
You find them anywhere in Sissonville.
Does this thing got an custom exhaust? Or?
Oh, you want to hear it?
Yeah, let's fire it up.
This thing sounds like a shotgun. You rev it up low. Look, my antenna, that's my coon hunt.
It's a little bent.
Better satellite. See, I told you in battery terminals are junk.
What happened?
Them battery terminals come loose on me.
That's an easy fix over
I
there.
used to wiggle them a little bit. Sometimes I shove going down the road and lock tires up on it.
Let's hear this thing.
You want to hear it hit the red line?
Yeah.
Red blimmer?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Also, if anybody wants to buy it, it's for sale.
Yeah, how much?
I'd let it go for 3,500.
Yeah, nice truck. Rust free.
Now, it's got a little rust, but that's for aerodynamics, see?
Yeah.
You won't have to put your own rust holes in there when you get it.
This thing ain't even warm.
You do that too hard, you might just rip the whole bed off of it.
Let's check out your rockers. How your rockers look on this thing?
This one's about half good. You got a little bit of rust, but nothing too bad.
I think you're just trying to warn people. That looks like tape to me.
See, nobody's seen that if you wouldn't told them.
That's still in pretty good shape. Yeah.
Look, I even got the bee's nest. I love this truck so much, I let the bees live in it with me.
You're a nice
There's another
man.
one on down.
Oh, is there?
Yep. They give it 10 more horsepower when I took the shifter knob off of it.
Did it?
Yeah, look at it.
Dang, there's some cheap upgrades right there.
I keep the seats flipped up too, because when I hit jumps, I don't want the airbag to hit me.
Yeah.
So I keep the seats laid back.
That's nice. Good looking carpet.
Yeah, it's a little muddy. I'll clean her up a little later.
Yeah. Where'd all the scratches come from?
I beat this through every woods and every tree's known to man around here.
So
It's been a good one.
full of drive work.
Well, I ain't got a transfer case in it right now, but it still works good. I hook chains on it and go.
So are these mud tires or what are they?
They're my street and mud.
Yeah.
See, I just take them and go.
They looks like slicks to me.
Oh, that's all right. Just spilled mud. You dig that mud out, you'll find some tread.
Oh yeah. What about your bumper? I seen your bumper flapping a little bit earlier. Something wrong with it?
No. What would you ask that for? We was hitting the jump earlier and blew the light plumb out of it on this side and my marker light, or my light down, my fog light down there.
Well, them lights are just for suggestions anyway.
Yeah, I don't run them.
Yeah.
I like to go down the road at dark about 95.
Well, your bumper looks fine to me.
Oh yeah. If I really want to hit the jump and make it do good,
Yeah. Oh.
that's how I get fast.
Yeah.
That's my off-roading. That's my on-road.
Sure. Does it usually get you from point A to point B?
Sometimes.
I think the viewers might be interested in your exhaust. What you got on?
I'm just running straight headers, took the baffle plumb out of it. This thing will run like a screaming eagle, I'm telling you.
Sure. So what, I seen that your turbos was back here on the bike. You remount the turbo?
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, I like to change it up a little. I don't want to wear a bass got.
Yeah. All right, guys. We forgot to do an outro for yesterday's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video that we uploaded today. Thanks for watching. Drop a fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Share this video with your friends. The channel's growing, so that's good. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Got a big video for tomorrow.